Bonjour food lovers! I'm making today some meatballs, very simple recipe. I have some beef and pork, half a kilo, 1 pound of each. So ready to go here. We're gonna start adding the ingredients. We have 3 cloves of garlic here. Put them all in. I have 1 onion. They're chopped really fine. 1 onion here. I'm gonna add 2 eggs right there. We have some almond flour, half a cup of almond flour. Some Parmesan cheese, half a cup. We have some parsley, fresh parsley from my balcony garden. About 2 tablespoons here of fresh parsley. And we're gonna add some salt and pepper. So 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and also some cracked pepper here. Love the pepper. And we're ready to mix. So I'm just gonna use this glove because that's the best way is to do it with your hands here. So let's just mix everything together. Ready to roll our meatballs. All right, meatballs. I'm just using a spoon. I want to make them quite small. Just roll them like that. And since they've been mixed really well, we don't want to make them too tight. So just slightly roll them and we'll place them here on the parchment paper. And it's gonna go into the oven. Our meatballs are ready to go into the oven, but first I'm gonna just brush on a little bit of olive oil, just a little dab on top, and it's gonna sort of just drizzle. So very easy, just like this. Into the oven at 350 Fahrenheit, 180 Celsius for 25 minutes. Here they are, our meatballs out of the oven. Now it smells amazing, but they are just perfect for any meals. You can freeze some because we have a big quantity here. Put some in the freezer, get them out when you're ready. And now eat this with a salad, with some steamed vegetable. I like to do the zoodle, the zucchini noodle, and serve it on top, but we can make it also in a spaghetti. I use the spaghetti squash with some tomato sauce, make a nice spaghetti that way. Anyway, it's good to eat the meatballs with some, we just can eat them like this with some like tzatziki or some nice dip. So it's just perfect. Today I'm gonna put them on my pizza. Let's have a look at our meatballs. I'm just gonna cut it in the middle here and show you. Yes, they are perfect. They're holding really well. Let's taste it. Yeah, this is really nice. Delicious. Bon appetit.